Ahead of grand Bhumi Pujan ceremony, the temple town Ayodhya has turned into a virtual fortress. This after Central Intelligence raised the alarm, warning about inputs that may attempt to disrupt peace during the ceremony. In fact, the Central Intelligence agencies have alerted the state police about possible attempts by terror groups. Uttar Pradesh police, working on a war footing, has mounted a huge security cover for the event across the temple town. The area around Ram Janmabhoomi has also been declared a red zone. Additionally, inter-district and state movement of public will be diverted during the ceremony. Keeping Prime Minister Modi's visit in mind, the SPG and paramilitary forces have also taken over security details around Ram Temple.
Prashant Kumar, the ADG Law and Order Uttar Pradesh, is with me. Prashantji, what kind of infrastructure matrix you have created for security so that one, there is also all concerns are addressed, and also that the public does not directly get impeded?
We are taking enough precautions. Primarily, two things are in our mind. First thing is that the normal people who are living in and around Ayodhya, they should not be disturbed. Day-to-day life should not be disturbed. At the same time, we should cater to all the security needs as per the protocol of the VVIPs who are visiting Ayodhya for this function. So I think the red zone where the whole functions are there, so we are taking enough precautions, and we will be following that COVID-19 protocol also.
Will that area of Ram Janmabhoomi Parisar, that area would be out of bounds for a certain period?
Obviously, when till the time all the functions is going on and the VVIPs are there, even when there is no movement also, that is out of bound for general public, because that's a red zone area and it is being handled by paramilitary, not by the state police. So for the function, obviously it is out of bound for normal people.
Let's quickly cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live for more on this. Aishwarya, thick security cover ahead of the Bhumi Pujan, ahead of Prime Minister arriving in Ayodhya. It appears that the entire temple town has been declared as a red zone in preparation for this. Also, inputs coming in from intelligence that there could be terror threats there. That's the reason we are looking at SPG paramilitary forces in place.
Well, definitely. Let me tell you, the temple town of Ayodhya at the moment has been converted into a fortress. Very few people are being allowed inside, and very stringent checking is taking place, not just at this entry and exit point, but at every entry and exit point which leads into the city. See, you can see behind me also there are multiple police vans and multiple police officers, some of them on the motorcycle also, who are now making sure that very stringent checking takes place, because obviously it is the authorities need to make sure that everything is intact, because at this moment they cannot afford any kind of slip up.